Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to set up and track project milestones in teamwork.com, the complete 2025 guide. First things first, log into your teamwork.com account and navigate to the projects page. This is where all your project management happens. What's great about setting up milestones here is that it gives you a clear view of your project's timeline and important deadlines. Now that we're on the projects page, select the project you want to add milestones to and click on the Milestones tab. The reason we do this is because this is where you'll be able to add, edit, and track your project milestones. Next up, click on Add Milestone button. This will open up a new window where you can enter the details of your milestone. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you create a milestone, you're setting a significant goal for your project that you can track and manage. Fill in the details, including the milestone's name, description, due date, and the person responsible. Once you've added all the details, hit Save. This helps us because now your milestone is officially part of your project timeline and everyone in your team can see it. It establishes transparency and ensures that everyone is aware of important deadlines. Now let me explain why tracking your milestones matters. You see, after setting up the milestones, you need to monitor them. To do this, go back to the Milestones tab, and you'll find a list of all the milestones for your project. You can view their status, who's responsible, and when they're due. This gives you a quick overview of your project's progress and helps you identify if there are any delays or issues that need addressing. And there you have it. You've now set up and are tracking milestones for your projects on teamwork.com. Remember, the key to successful project management is staying organized and keeping everyone in the loop. Setting and tracking milestones helps you do just that. So keep setting those milestones and track them diligently. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy project managing.